Hey everyone, today, we're diving into a crucial topic: kidney health. Our kidneys filter waste and regulate fluid balance. When they're not functioning, it can lead to serious issues. That's why it's essential to care for them. We'll explore foods that can help reverse kidney damage. Certain foods can support and improve kidney function. Your kidneys will thank you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with blueberries. These little berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. This is crucial because chronic inflammation can lead to further kidney damage. Moreover, blueberries are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for people with kidney issues who need to manage their potassium intake. Including a handful of blueberries in your diet can help improve kidney function and overall health. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even as a part of a smoothie. Remember, the key is to consume them regularly to harness their full benefits. Make blueberries a staple in your diet, and your kidneys will be on their way to recovery. Next up, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are delicious and beneficial for your kidneys. They are low in potassium and high in vitamins C, A, and B6. Also rich in folic acid and fiber. This makes them a kidney-friendly food option. Their high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative damage. Fiber aids in digestion and toxin removal. Include them raw, in salads, or cooked. Versatile and nutritious, they are a must-have for kidney health. Now, let's talk about cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney health. Cauliflower is low in potassium and packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. It also contains compounds that help the liver neutralize toxic substances, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Cauliflower is also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps eliminate waste from the body. This detoxifying effect is beneficial for maintaining clear and efficient kidney function. You can enjoy cauliflower in many forms: steamed, roasted, or even mashed as a low-carb alternative to potatoes. Including cauliflower in your diet regularly can help support your kidneys and overall health. It's a versatile and delicious way to give your kidneys the care they need. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's also a fantastic food for kidney health. Garlic boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. This is crucial because chronic inflammation can lead to progressive kidney damage. Moreover, garlic contains antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. It's also known to have diuretic properties, which can help flush out toxins and reduce the workload on your kidneys. Adding garlic to your diet can be as simple as incorporating it into your cooking or taking garlic supplements. Remember, a little garlic goes a long way. Regular consumption can provide significant benefits for your kidney health, so don't hesitate to add this natural remedy to your meals. Let's not forget about apples, a simple yet incredibly effective food for kidney health. Apples are packed with fiber, which is essential for proper digestion and toxin removal. This helps ease the burden on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. In addition to fiber, apples are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin, which can help reduce kidney inflammation. They are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney issues. Eating an apple a day can indeed keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to kidney health. You can enjoy apples in various forms, fresh, as applesauce, or even in smoothies. Make sure to include this fiber-rich fruit in your diet to support your kidneys and overall well-being. Olive oil is another fantastic food that can support kidney health. This heart-healthy fat is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Olive oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. One of the benefits of olive oil is its ability to improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. You can use olive oil as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or incorporate it into your cooking. By including olive oil in your diet, you're not only supporting your kidneys but also promoting overall cardiovascular health. Cabbage is a nutrient-dense vegetable that can do wonders for your kidney health. It's low in potassium and high in vitamins K, C, and B6, as well as fiber and folic acid. This makes cabbage an excellent choice for those looking to support their kidney function. One of the standout benefits of cabbage is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, the fiber in cabbage aids in digestion and helps remove toxins from the body, reducing the workload on your kidneys. You can enjoy cabbage in various forms: raw in salads, sautéed, or even fermented as sauerkraut. Including cabbage in your diet regularly can help support your kidneys and overall health. Cranberries are well known for their ability to promote urinary tract health, but did you know they're also great for your kidneys? Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can lead to kidney damage. In addition to their antibacterial properties, cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. They are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney issues. You can enjoy cranberries in various forms: fresh, dried, or as unsweetened cranberry juice. Including cranberries in your diet can help protect your urinary tract and support your kidney health. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation and improve kidney function. These healthy fats are also known to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, which is beneficial for overall kidney health. In addition to omega-3s, fish is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health. However, it's important to choose fish that are low in mercury to avoid any potential negative effects on kidney health. Including fish in your diet at least twice a week can provide significant benefits for your kidneys. Whether grilled, baked, or steamed, fish is a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidney health. Onions are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They're also great for kidney health. Onions are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that support detoxification processes in the body, easing the burden on your kidneys. Additionally, the fiber in onions aids in digestion and helps remove toxins from the body. You can include onions in your diet in various ways: raw in salads, cooked in dishes, or even caramelized for added flavor. Regular consumption of onions can provide significant benefits for your kidney health. Strawberries are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. These berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and manganese, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Strawberries are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney issues. Additionally, they contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for overall kidney health. You can enjoy strawberries fresh, frozen, or as part of a smoothie. Including strawberries in your diet regularly can help support your kidneys and overall well-being. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality protein that is low in phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly food choice. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health, but for those with kidney issues, it's important to choose sources that are low in phosphorus. Egg whites provide the necessary protein without the added phosphorus, which can be harmful to kidneys that are not functioning properly. They are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney issues. You can include egg whites in your diet in various ways: scrambled, boiled, or as part of a protein shake. Regular consumption of egg whites can provide significant benefits for your kidney health. There you have it, folks. 12 incredible foods that can help reverse kidney damage and support your overall kidney health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in how your kidneys function, reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, and the burden on these vital organs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and information. Your support helps me continue to provide valuable content that can improve your well-being. For more information and additional resources, check out the links in the description below. Together, we can take steps towards better kidney health and a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and take care.